finally managed to pick myself up a few mats of car sound deadening. Got some good quality kill mat stuff. Probably won't be the stuff that I use for the whole car, it's quite expensive. There is some stuff called Dead Mat, which is just a little bit cheaper. You get a little bit more, pretty much does the same stuff, but I was able to pick this up from a friend of mine who gave me the rest of his box for a few quid less than it should be. So I've got these. I'm going to try and put these in the footwell, because then I can start sort of sorting out the wiring, getting the floor done, and then putting in the carpets, and maybe start looking at putting the seats in. Just allows me to get the stuff out of the way, make it look like I've done a bit more progress, and test fit the seats, and you know, just start moving on a little bit. That's it, that's all 4 floor plans done, fully sound deadened. Hopefully over the next couple of days I'll be able to get the carpet in and start looking at some of the other stuff, so stay tuned for some more updates.